If you're looking for a UTV to jump dunes at 60 miles per hour or fly through technical rock trails with a foot of suspension travel, well, you're in the wrong place. But if you're looking for a machine that views a pile of gravel as a personal challenge and treats a 1,300-pound trailer like a light snack, welcome home. This is the Kubota RTV-X1140. It is the heavyweight champion of the utility side of the utility task vehicle world. It's slow, it's heavy, and it's painted "Don't Lose Me in the Field" orange. But is it truly the ultimate workhorse for your property, or is it just too much tractor and not enough truck? Let's break it down. Let's start with what makes a Kubota a Kubota. Under the bed, you're going to find a 24.8 horsepower, 3-cylinder, liquid-cooled diesel engine. Now, 24 horsepower might sound modest when compared to some of the 100-plus horsepower sport rigs out there. But remember, this isn't about top speed, which is capped at a sensible 25 miles per hour. This is about torque. This engine is designed to run all day, every day, in high-heat environments without breaking a sweat. But the real secret sauce here is the VHTX, the variable hydrostatic transmission. While almost every other UTV on the market uses a belt-driven CVT, Kubota uses hydraulics. Why does that matter? Durability. No belts to slip or burn out when you're pulling a heavy load uphill. Dynamic braking. When you take your foot off the gas, the hydraulic pressure naturally slows the machine down. If you've ever descended a steep hill with a full load of dirt, you know how terrifying freewheeling can be. In the Kubota, the transmission does the braking for you. The 1140 in the name signifies the X Series' biggest selling point, the K-Plus transformation system. Most UTVs force you to choose. Do you want a 2-seater with a big bed or a 4-seater with a tiny cargo box? Kubota says, why not both? In less than 3 minutes, and without any tools, you can convert this from a 4-passenger crew cab to a 2-passenger long bed workhorse. You lift the seat, slide the front of the cargo bed forward, and suddenly your cargo space grows from 19 cubic feet to 33 cubic feet. In the 2-seat configuration, you can haul 1,102 pounds in the bed. In the 4-seat configuration, that drops to about 661 pounds. It's a brilliant piece of engineering that makes this machine incredibly versatile. You can take the family or the crew out to the back 40 in the morning, drop them off, convert the bed, and spend the rest of the day hauling fence posts or hay. Speaking of hauling, let's talk about the bed. It isn't just big, it's hydraulic. Standard on the X1140 is a hydraulic lift. No hand cranking or straining your back. Just flip a lever in the cab and the bed tilts. This is a lifesaver for dumping mulch, gravel, or even just cleaning out the bed after a messy job. Underneath, the RTV-X1140 features independent suspension on all 4 corners. Now, don't expect a Cadillac ride. It's tuned for work. When the bed is empty, it can feel a little stiff. But put 500 pounds in the back, and the suspension settles beautifully, soaking up ruts and washboards with ease. You also get a 1,300-pound towing capacity via a standard 2-inch hitch receiver. Whether it's a log splitter, a small boat, or a utility trailer full of tools, the 1140 handles it with a level of stability that lighter, belt-driven machines just can't match. Inside the cab, functional is the word of the day. You've got a clear digital dash that tells you everything you need to know: speed, hours, and coolant temp. The hydrostatic power steering is a standout feature. Even with a full load and 4WD engaged, you can turn the wheel with one finger. It's remarkably easy to maneuver in tight barns or wooded trails. The floorboard is flat and open, which makes getting in and out, which you'll be doing a lot on a job site, completely effortless. You also have underseat storage compartments for your gloves, tools, or lunch. One thing to note, because it's a diesel and it uses a hydrostatic transmission, it's loud. This isn't a machine for a quiet Sunday morning cruise. It sounds like a piece of heavy machinery because, well, it is. So, is the Kubota RTV-X1140 the ultimate workhorse for your property? The pros: it is arguably the most durable UTV on the market. The diesel engine will likely outlive us all. The hydrostatic transmission removes the weak link of a belt, and the convertible bed gives you two machines for the price of one. The cons: it's heavy, coming in at nearly 2,400 pounds. If you have very soft manicured turf, those tires might leave a mark. It's also slow. If your property involves 5-mile drives between gates, that 25 mph top speed might start to feel a bit sluggish. What do you think? Is the orange Evolution right for your land, or do you prefer the speed of a gas-powered rig? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.